Welcome to Frogfoot Holler, y'all. I'm Michael. My nephew Colton's on the camera today. And guess what? I'm a one-legged frog today. Alright, so yesterday I hurt my ankle pretty good. And well, I'm out here and I still got to get stuff done. So I'm out here with my garden walking stick, kind of helping me out a little bit. But we got some tilling we got to do. We got some garden maintenance we got to do. And we got to get these beds right here ready for the cucumbers to go in. So we're going to get these things tilled up. We're going to get them looking nice and pretty, and then we're going to be putting up some posts and some chicken wire so that the cucumbers could run on them, hopefully. Now I got 3 beds that are going to have the cucumbers in them, and I got 3 different types of cucumbers. Didn't that work out nicely? So that was the reason why I had to go ahead and pull up my onions and my lettuces and my spinaches and stuff. Is because I needed these 3 beds because, well, those cucumbers are ready to plant. Now, with my foot or ankle the way it's doing, we're going to be hopping along here, or at least I will be. My nephew still can walk normal. Lucky nephew. But I'm going to be hopping along and behind the tiller and stuff like that. And, well, I'm going to use my special powers of Super Frog mode to get all this done. So, y'all enjoy. Alright guys, so what I didn't show y'all on another video, I kind of forgot about it, was me and my nephew created this little arbor for the gate area. As you can see, gate, arbor. And what we're going to be doing is we planted rattlesnake pole beans on both sides, and the hope is they'll grow up nice and strong and tall and cover this whole area, so we'll have a little shady spot. Yay, my garden's gonna look pretty. Alright, so now I'm gonna let my nephew back in the gate. Come on, nephew. And we're gonna walk over here. We already got our poles up for the cucumbers. And we're actually gonna be using this Hortonova netting from Haas Tools. And I'm actually using it right here with my English peas, and so far it's working, but I also come from using metal fencing, so I'm used to more rigidity. So I got the English peas are only going to grow so far, so I got to give it a true test. And my cucumbers will be planted on these 3 rows with the post, so I'm going to be using this Hortonova netting on the cucumbers and seeing how it works. So me and my nephew are going to jump into Super Frog mode and get this netting up. Alright guys, my ankle is killing me. But we got it done. We got these beds prepared for the cucumbers to go in, which hopefully we'll have them in tomorrow or the next day. And well, I do plan to plant more than the 7 starts that I got started. I plan to plant some more seeds. I just want the starts to have that little head jump ahead of the seeds. But we are ready for them to go in the ground. Now, out in the front field, y'all remember my squash coming up? Yep, we got the seeds planted for everything else. Let's go take a look at that. Let's do a magic trick again. I like the magic tricks. 1, 2. I love frog magic. Yes, I do. It's so easy to jump down here like that. All right, so right now I'm standing in front, well, behind my fig tree. I just wanted to show you that it is coming back after that oddball frost that we had. And even though it looks worse for wear, it is coming back, y'all. All right, so let's take a look at my squash plants, or squash hills right here. Now, as you can see, I have what looks like ant hills right here. Over there, all the way down yonder. And there's 60 squash plants, if they all come up, in this one garden space alone. I got 20 up in the other garden space. If all these seeds come up, I'm gonna have 80 squash plants, y'all. That's a lot. But I wanted to also show y'all that the deer protectors over here are doing pretty good. Now, you can actually see the squash plants inside there, and there is no deer prints right here at it, but I have seen some alongside. So they have either sniffed it and wanted to stay away from it, or they just ain't bothered with it. But either way, my deer protectors are working. Now, with these 60 squash plants, all the cantaloupe, all the watermelon, all the banana squash, that's a lot of deer protectors I got to get out, y'all. So with the ones I've already made, I still got to make 99 more. Be a good thing for me to do, sitting down and putting my foot up. My ankle hurts. All right, guys, on that note, I appreciate y'all joining in with me today. It's been Michael with Frogfoot Holler. Y'all have a froggy day.